Child pose.
Begin on all fours, stretch your thighs and let your bottom rest on your feet. Lower your body to the floor till your forehead touches the ground. You may stretch your arms in front of you or back towards your feet.
Big toe pose.
Stand with your feet slightly apart. Bend forward slowly, at the waist all the way. Hold the big toe of each foot with your hand. You may bend your knees if you are unable to reach your toes. This pose helps to increase blood flow to your brain. This will allow immediate relief from your headache.
Cat pose.
Start on all fours. Ensure your palms are below your shoulders and knees below your hips. Arch your back, pulling yourself away from the floor. Round your back as much as you can and look towards your belly. Hold for a few breaths and release. This pose stretches your back and neck, relieving tension and stress.
Dolphin pose.
From downward dog, place your forearm firmly on the floor. You may walk your feet nearer to your face for a deeper stretch on your legs. This pose improves the blood flow and oxygen to your brain, relieving your headaches.
Seated forward bend.
Stretch your legs straight in front of you. Inhale to raise your hands up and slowly lower your body till your head drops down to your knees. You may bend your knees slightly if you find the stretch too much for you. Try to touch your toes or clasp your hands around your feet.
Reclining hero pose.
Sit down on your knees and allow your buttocks touch the floor. Gently lower your body using the support from your hands and lie down on the floor. Maintain that position and feel the stretch on your thighs. You may place your arms over your head and relax fully. Ensure your hands, head and feet are all on the floor to feel the deepest stretch. This pose is known to improve restoration your body needs. This stretch releases tension, reduces anxiety and headaches almost immediately.
Corpse pose.
Lie down on your back with your arms and legs comfortably apart. Close your eyes and focus on your breaths for a few moments. This is the best pose to melt away any tensions.
Bridge pose.
Lie down on your back and bend your knees. Ensure your fingers are able to touch your heels. Inhale to lift your hips up with shoulders still on the floor. You may interlace your fingers and squeeze your shoulder blades more. Hold for a few breaths before releasing. This stretch helps to relax your body while breathing, steadies the mind.